Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a Chanel unboxing. I am like in disbelief right now. I'm in shock and I am kind of at a loss for words. I've done a few unboxings here on my channel on like Louis Vuitton bags. I'll link those down below if you guys are interested, and those always do well. So today I have a Chanel unboxing, which I never thought in a million years I would do, at least so soon. I've always dreamed of owning a Chanel and buying my first Chanel, but I never thought it would be possible while I was still in college, 21 years old. And I can't believe it, honestly. So I think this is gonna be like my third unboxing on my channel. I do a lot of luxury videos though. I do like a lot of what's in my purses, bag collections, reviews, unboxing, stuff like that. But yeah, so I can't believe it. I will have timestamps in the description box because I'm sure I'm gonna ramble a lot in this video because I have a lot to say. Let me just tell you, a lot. For the sake of your time, if you don't want to hear me ramble, I'll have timestamps in the description. But I have been wanting a Chanel bag ever since I was younger. I'm not gonna say like a little girl because honestly I probably didn't know what Chanel was when I was a little girl, but for a few years, as soon as I got introduced into the luxury world, I knew I always wanted to own one, but there was not one that stood out to me. I feel like Chanel is very sophisticated, dressy, and I mean like my style, I have a lot of different styles. I can be dressy, but I can also be super casual. Like, I mean, wearing a sweatshirt right now. I felt like it would be a waste of money to buy a Chanel because I hardly ever dress up, and I felt like it would look dumb if I wore a Chanel bag with like an athletic wear outfit. You know what I mean? But in 2019, Karl Lagerfeld released this bag, created this bag. I believe this was the last bag that he designed before he passed. In my opinion, this is the perfect Chanel bag for me. The most practical, the most like edgy, kind of like fun, young bag that I've seen. I actually don't live near a Chanel. I live near like a Neiman Marcus as a Chanel boutique inside. So I always knew that I'd probably buy it secondhand or from a reseller just because it's not practical for me to plan a vacation just to go get a bag. So I actually found this website called Reed Deluxe. I will have them in the description box. I'll have their Instagram and their website, but they are owned by a husband and wife, and their names are Georgia and Hunter, and they are just the best. Georgia is so sweet. That's who I bought the bag from, obviously, was Reed Deluxe, but I loved talking with her and getting to know her, and she just made this whole process so easy for me, and I cannot say enough good things about them. I'm always very skeptical when buying secondhand or buying from a reselling business just because, you know, you can get scammed and your item might not be authentic like it says it is, but I trust them with my full heart, wholeheartedly, 100% trust them. Obviously, all their bags are authenticated. I saw on their Instagram where they've never even accidentally sold a fake one, and they've sold a lot of bags. So that's just good to know that, you know, it's coming from a reputable seller. And I know like Fashion File, Tradesy, and all those different websites, I mean, you can get scammed on those even, you know, you can always get scammed, but Reed Deluxe I trust with my whole heart, and they just made this experience so fun and so smooth, and I love them. I'm really excited to show you guys this bag, and thank you so much, Georgia and Hunter, for just making this possible. So definitely check out their website and Instagram. They have so many different things on their website. I feel like right now they've just got more Chanel than anything, but they do have Louis Vuitton, and I'm sure they carry other luxury brands on there, but for the majority is all Chanel and Louis Vuitton. They have amazing prices. Like if you compare those to like Fashion File, like you're gonna go with Reed Deluxe because the prices are just unbeatable. Great condition. Like I cannot say enough good things about them. Like it got here so quick. It came in this beautiful box and ribbon. It literally looks like I just went to Chanel and got this wrapped up. I just can't believe it, you guys. Like I really can't, and I really hope this video does not come across as braggy at all. I'm not trying to brag. Like I have worked so hard these past couple of months, wanting to do it for myself and treat myself because I've been working so hard, and I've been saving up, and there's nothing really that I have my eye on in the luxury world other than this. So could have bought like 3 Gucci bags or like 2 Louis for the price of this, but quality over quantity, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll talk about all the features on the bag. I'll try it on for you guys, talk about the price increase, because Chanel recently just did a pricing increase on all their classic bags, and this bag is on their classic list. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Let's get into it. I don't even know what to do. Like, I don't wanna mess this up. I'm gonna like take a picture just to have it for the memes. I don't wanna mess it up. Okay, I'm just gonna like slide it off. Literally, I cannot believe they even wrapped it for me. That is so cool. Came with the little chameleon flower. I think that's what they call it, but so cute. Okay, so obviously this is a real Chanel box because it's a real Chanel, which I've never owned. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, you guys. What? It literally looks like if I would have bought it from Chanel. Are you kidding me? I literally cannot. Okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys as I'm doing it. So I'm gonna undo the package. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm so nervous. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited. I was gonna like do my hair and makeup for this video, but then I got a notification that it came, and that just went all out the window, and I was like, I gotta throw a sweatshirt on and film this ASAP because I'm too excited. I haven't seen this in person. This is the first time I'm seeing it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see it first. Okay, well, never mind, because there's more packaging. This is a certificate of authenticity. The Reduluxe team has personally inspected and educated this team and determined it to be 100% authentic. This item is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. And this is the Chanel 19 goatskin quilted small flat bag in white. Then it came with a little thank you card from the Reduluxe team. And then I just ended up tearing it, whatever. You guys, in the dust bag. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. That's what the box looks like now. I'm gonna move that to the side. I need to drink a sip of water real quick. I'm like shaking. It came with an authenticity card, dust bag, and I got the box as well. Oh my God, I see it. Are you guys ready for the reveal? This is Chanel wrapping paper. That's too cute. Oh my gosh. She's absolutely stunning. You guys. Oh my gosh. She smells so good. So this is in goatskin, which is more durable than lambskin or calfskin. Lambskin I think is a little bit more soft and buttery, but goatskin's right up there with it. I don't know the difference between goatskin and caviar. Caviar might be more durable, but I know they don't make the 19 in goatskin. It's either goatskin or lambskin. Goatskin is by far more durable than lambskin and easy to clean. Doesn't really get scratches or anything. As you guys can see, this is the bag, and you might be thinking like, Tori, that's like wrinkly, but that's the way the bag is supposed to look, like even new. So if you don't like that and that's gonna bother you, I definitely wouldn't recommend this bag, but it's just a very unstructured, slouchy bag. That's just the bag. But I wanted it in white because, I don't know, I have more white handbags than I do black because I just gravitate towards them. I feel like they go with my style more and like what I wear on a day-to-day basis. And you know, I feel like people are scared to get white because of, you know, color transfer and just overall like having to be more careful with it. But like I said, with goatskin, you're not gonna have to worry about it. I just think that white goes with more of my outfits. But okay, I'm gonna take the packaging off the handle. Look how gorgeous that chain is, you guys. Okay, we're gonna open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll show you guys the inside of the bag in a second, but this is what the bag looks like, and it's actually got 3 different types of metals in the bag. So you've got ruthenium, which I believe is like right here. Then you got like a shiny gunmetal looking one, and then you've got like the gold. So I'm not really sure on the specific names. I know ruthenium is the right name for that one metal, but yeah. So Love it. And then you've got the leather intertwined on the chain, and then a little leather slab right here. It's beautiful. I love the chain. If you guys know me at all, you know I love white and gold together. Like, my whole apartment is white and gold, and I do have silver. I don't typically like to mix metals, but with my apartment, it's just that way. Like, I have silver accents in my kitchen, but I've also got gold. I just really like the way white, gold, and silver looks together. So this bag is just like a very good representation of myself. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then you've got the CCs with the leather intertwined on the chain. Super cute. This bag is in great condition. Like I said, it is very unstructured and like very squishy, like a pillow. So it's gonna wrinkle. That's just how it is. But you can wear this so many different ways. I'll show you guys obviously in a moment. But I'll show you the inside real quick. If you guys can see, that's what the inside looks like. You got the Chanel right there. And then I got my authenticity card, and this is from the 30 series, 30 collection. Super excited. It's also got a back pocket that has a little magnet, and yeah, this is just like so my style, honestly. So this is the small one, but they actually call it the medium, because it's actually like medium, large, maxi, I think. So yeah, this is the smallest one, but I have a small frame, so I knew that if I went any bigger, it would like swallow me, and this is like the perfect size. I heard that this can actually fit as much as a Chanel medium or jumbo flat bag. I don't know, apparently it can hold a lot because it's so unstructured and so squishy. So that's really good because yeah, I typically don't carry a lot, but so that's good to know. But I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I'm hoping that it like doesn't hit too low on me. That's not bad at all. That's how it hits when I'm wearing it as a crossbody. It hits like right at my hip bone. This is like the perfect size for me too. Okay, and then as a shoulder, it's right there. But I'll probably be wearing it just with the top handle, like holding it like this, or on the crook of my elbow. I think that is so cute. You can also like tuck the big chain in and just have the handle like this, which is super cute. And a little top handle bag. I love that. I've never owned a top handle bag before, so I just love that. The chain is, I honestly thought it was gonna be heavier, but it's not bad at all. It's just the bag is so light itself. The goat skin is really shiny. It's beautiful. I'm obsessed, you guys. Yeah, I just think it's beautiful. And I actually already got a organizer to go in it and like give it a little bit more structure and protect it. But the inside is really good. Like, there's no marks. It's still got the like plastic around the zipper and the gold like hardware. I don't even know where to put this down. I'm gonna set it back in the box. So this bag is actually pretty hard to find unless you already have like a connection and relationship like with an essay. But I know these bags are like super hard to find, and this specific bag that I got, the same color and everything, was going on Tradesy for $17,000. That's what it was listed as. I don't know if they were just like saying that because they marked it down and they wanted to seem like it was a good deal, but even their marked down price was like over $6,000, which I didn't pay that much for it. This bag started off retailing for $4,800 US. And then when Chanel had a price increase, I believe it went up to $5,600. That's not even including tax or whatever. Yeah, I am thrilled. It's in great condition. Like, literally doesn't even look used other than just the wrinkles, but that's just how the bag looks. Like I said, if you are worried about that and you like more structured bags and you don't want to look like there's any wear and tear on your bag, or not even wear and tear, but like just flawless, then definitely don't go for the 19 because it will wrinkle and it will look slouchy. It's just supposed to look slouchy. That's the whole design of the bag, which I love because it's very casual, fun, young, like edgy, and I just love it so much. I love the mixed metal chain. I just think it is so cool and I'm thrilled. So yeah, I know some people were saying that they were scared to get this bag because they were afraid it was just like a trendy bag and it was gonna go out of style. But then Chanel added it to their classic list. So it's always gonna be a classic, which is great because I love that. Because, you know, for your first Chanel bag, a lot of people normally go for like a boy bag or a classic flap. But honestly, that's just not really practical for me and not really my style, you know, for right now. So this is perfect and I don't regret it at all. I'm obsessed, so I'm like still in shock if you guys haven't noticed. Also, let me know if you guys want to see a what's in my purse for this bag. This is my new baby. I'm so in love with it. And they do have the 19 in like a light beige or like an off-white, but I have a bright white Prada bag and I loved that white so much. But I also have like more of an off-white Gucci bag and I still love that one. But I just felt like the Prada white was just such a very like eye-catching bag, and you can wear this for all seasons, which I feel like the black is more of like a fall winter. I mean, some people wear it year round, but in the summer and spring I definitely like to go for a lighter bag, and this is also kind of like a winter white too, you know. But it's just very like eye-catching because it's so bright, whereas like black or darker colors blend in. So if you guys are thinking about getting a white bag, I have 3 of them and love them so much and don't have any problems with them. Don't be scared, definitely worth it. For me personally at least, I just love white bags more. Like I said, I think I only have 1 black bag. I think the white is just breathtaking, show-stopping, just so fabulous. Like the white on the gold is just so beautiful, so me, so my vibe, and I love it. I'm here for it. All right, that's it for today's video. Sorry if it was super rambly. I just kind of wanted to talk about my experience, like why I got it, how I got it, all that stuff, and obviously talk about the bag. But you know, I didn't want to come on here and be like, I have a Chanel unboxing, and then unbox it and not talk about why I got it or how I got it. Like, I like to be very personable with you guys and be like really raw and honest and just share my experience with you, because I like watching these types of videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell. Follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen, also listed and linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Redeluxe. I'll have their information in the description box. Tell them I sent you. Let me know if you guys want to see a what's in my purse on this bag. I'm so excited to style this, and like I just still can't believe it. I'm in awe. But I love you guys, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys.